gasket's off. What a bugger. All these tubes, basically you can't get to them, and the clamps are these clamps that embed themselves in and just stick on. So you're trying to get them off. There's a gotcha down there because there's a clamp which holds the exhaust in there, so I was thinking, oh, I'll just take it off. Except for there's a clamp that holds on to, can't see where it is now, I think it's there, that bowl hole there, yeah. Got to put the nut back in. Yeah, and it's like, stupid. And now I actually got the exhaust clear. You can get a bar in, right, which of course you can, but it's a question of how to get the leverage, or you can't get this in, obviously. So it's how to get the leverage in there, because the car body's in the way. So, yeah, anyway. So the head's off, and I don't know, because the head gasket itself, I don't know. I'm going to have to inspect it. I'm not going to do it today. But normally you have burn marks somewhere, but I'm not seeing burn marks. It looks clean. So I don't know. I'm not sure. I'll have to see. This one's obviously nice and dark, so there's been a bit of oil going in there, or something's going in there, probably oil. So I'm looking for evidence where it's been burnt through and blown through, but I'm not seeing it. So I'll have to have a look. Feeling it. No, that seemed quite good. And the head gasket looks good, actually. Yeah. Oh, I have to put these bolts back in wherever they came from. There's one there. Yeah. That's it. It'll never work again. I don't know. There's another one. Oh, I've got two. Anyway, so the head's out. And now I need to basically clean it all and inspect it. I've left the plugs in because you don't really need, sometimes you don't need to take them out. That's that one, I think. Yeah. And that one. And then there's a thing that goes in there. Yeah. Yep, so I'm going to have I'm going to have to have an inspection. The gasket's separated, but that's probably because I've removed it. So it's just a consequence of removing it. And this is the head gasket. And a prelim inspection shows, I don't know, is that burning between cylinders there? Is that what that is? And that, I don't think so. I think that's just the seal. You know, it's just the way the seal is. But that looks suspect. I mean, it's obviously, there's something going on there, I think. Yeah. That's how it should be. There should be a defined edge. And that one's, yeah, I think this is, because you can see it's like an open design like this, and you can see how it's in there. Yeah. So it's possible somebody's replaced this with a cheap gasket. Yeah. So these holes actually will have water in them. Yeah. Which means that's pretty close there. I don't know, but this doesn't look good. Looks like the material's blown out. Yeah. So I don't know. I'll also have to inspect it for cracks. It should be like this, you see. Yeah. But that looks suspect to me. Yeah. That's better, how it should be, you know, with the sealant there. So I don't know. I'll have to inspect the new gasket as well. This is where I think, where are we at? So this is the bolt hole, which is that, which means the black area is where it should seal, and the clean area, right, so the clean area is where the water is. Yes it is. So that's pretty close there. I don't know. Ooh, not sure what these are. Wow, these don't look good. It's possible I've damaged it while I was moving it around a bit. Yeah. Anyway, we'll get to that. I'm not going to do it today because I'm finished today. Alright.